this from down?
MSRJ. But where in America and many European countries, they don't use, they all use aluminum alloys. Aluminum alloy is lightweight but very, very costly, but they can afford to do it, so they go for all tower parts out of aluminum alloy. They don't use MS or iron at all in advanced countries like US and
tensile strength of that alloy are that much hard that
yes, correct. The tensile strength, yes, it's an important point. Aluminum alloy normally will have tensile strength lesser than MS, but the life is more important. So life is more there. So life is less here.
Yeah.
Name of this place is Kankura Road. That is road is Kankura Road.
Between that 400.
Between that 400.
What is saying about 400 megawatt and 800 megawatt?
And the capacity of the line is 800 megawatt.
800 megawatt. That's 400 and 400.
400
megawatt. That single or single phase.
The between them two is 400 kV.
400 kV and 800 megawatt.
After the erection of that 78 kV line from Bangalore to from Shivasamudram generating station to KGF, Shivasamudram to Bangalore, there was no problem. After they erected the line, these communication people, PNT people, postal telegraph, they started problems. So they said, you have taken a high tension line among our lines, so we are being disturbed. That's how they say. So then, to solve that, how they are excuse me. Hello? ಲೋಕನಾಥ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ಹೇಳಿ, ಇವತ್ತು ಮೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ನಾನು. ಅವ್ರು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ನನಗೆ. ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಅವ್ರು ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಮೊನ್ನೆನೇ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ರು ನನಗೆ. ಇವತ್ತು ವೆಡ್ನೆಸ್ಡೇ ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ಪಾಪ ಅವ್ರು ಲೇಡೀಸ್ ಆದ್ರಿಂದ ಅವ್ರು ಯಾರು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಬರ್ತಾರೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿ ನಾನು ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ. 4 o'clock 4:30 ಅಷ್ಟೊತ್ತು ಮೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ ನಾವು ಅವ್ರನ್ನ. ಹಾಗೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಪಾಪ ನೋಡಿ, ಅವ್ರು ನೀವು ಮಾತಾಡಿ ಅವ್ರು ಲೇಡೀಸ್ ಆದ್ರಿಂದ ಅವ್ರ ಕಡೆ ಹಾಗೆ ಮಾಡಿ ನಾನು ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಹತ್ರ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಹಂಗಾದ್ರೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್, ಒಳ್ಳೇದು. ಹಾಗೆ ಮಾಡಿ, ಅವ್ರು ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಎಷ್ಟೊತ್ತು? ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಓಕೆ ರೈಟ್. So when the telephone people started disturbed, their lines being disturbed, they complained to the government. So the government, this is a very ticklish problem, how to solve that? So they went to America and other countries, how they are solving it? They are solving it by what is called PTCCs. It is Power and Telecommunication Coordination Committee. It is a committee formed out of electrical engineers, BSNL engineers, or telephone engineers. Sometimes if the line crosses a railway engineers, so they constitute this PTCC. Every transmission line must be approved by that PTCC. So normally what they do is these power engineers, they design a line and then give it to PTCC. PTCC people pass on that line to the communication engineers, BSNL engineers or PNT engineers. Then they will say, they will calculate what is called induced voltages. Because of that, what is the likelihood of induced voltages and how they affect it. So they will say, you provide guarding here, you provide earthing here. Like that they put conditions. Those conditions again passed on to power engineers. Power engineers, they will incorporate that and do changes, and then submit the drawings again to PTCC. So finally PTCC should approve, so that there is a correct communication of power without disturbing the communication people. This is called PTCC clearance, Power and Telecommunication Coordination Committee clearance.
But sir, the towers installed earlier when the communication lines are not there. Now if they want to put their communication tower at that point, how they manage?
No, you see, it is always
Extension towers.
First come, first served basis. That means you are a power man, you are there. Afterwards BSNL comes, BSNL should go for their own guardings. That's all. Okay? Any other doubts? No, sir. Okay, come.